Today I'm going to make cabbage and codfish. Basically, it's like doing ackee and codfish, except you don't use ackee, you use the cabbage instead. So here I have 4 cups of cabbage, thickly shredded, half a pound of codfish that has been soaking overnight, and 5 strips of bacon. If you're not a bacon eater, then you have to use more codfish. It's a quick dish, easily pulled together. Yeah, and you can either have it for breakfast with nice hard-dough bread, or boiled green bananas, whichever you prefer. Or you can have it for lunch, and for dinner you can have it with steamed rice. Here I have the codfish, and it's been soaking overnight. I'm going to drain it and put it to boil for about 3 minutes to remove some more of the salt. And while this is boiling, I'll just cut up the bacon, the onion and the tomato. Here's the codfish, boiled for 2 minutes, drain and rinse. Now I'm gonna flake it and have it ready for when I do the chopped bacon, onion and tomato. Now we're gonna put this all together. I'm gonna fry the bacon first. So I'm just adding a wee drop of oil in the frying pan. My well-seasoned frying pan. So now the bacon is fried, and all the oil that's rendered from it I'll use to cook the onion and tomato in. So I'm going to remove it from the frying pan and add it later when I'm doing the final put together. So now I've turned the burner to medium heat, and I'm adding the onion and tomato to the same pan with the leftover oil with the bacon fat. This I'm adding about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a couple shakes of black pepper. Here's the hot pepper sauce that I really like. It's made with Scotch bonnet pepper, and it's Eaton's brand. So I'm just going to put a couple drops in it, because being that it's Scotch bonnet, about 4 drops. Now I'm going to fold in the cabbage. To help the cabbage cook, I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of water and cover it down for about 3 minutes. By then the cabbage should be wilted and ready for the bacon and the codfish. So the cabbage, tomato and onion have been steaming for 3 to 4 minutes. So now it's all wilted. I add my mandatory ketchup, just a wee couple of squeeze. So this is the codfish all flaked. I'm going to add it at this point. Fold it in. Now it's time for bacon to be added. And I'll do the same folding process. So this is everything all pulled together. Codfish, bacon, cabbage, onion, tomato, salt, pepper, and a little ketchup. I'm going to put the cover on, the lid on, simmer on low for 2 to 3 minutes. Here you have it all done. I did add a little bit more water, about 2 ounces, so that we can have enough sauce to go with whatever we're going to have it with. You can have it with bread, hard-dough bread of course, boiled banana, or festival. Go to my website, Cook Like a Jamaican, and you get the recipe. Enjoy!